It's still red for us, but it's green for him, so it's going to be our turn soon. And it's gonna it's gonna go. We just have to be patient. It's drying his car. You see those things on the top? Those are like dryers, those huge things on the top. Now it's telling us yellow. Yes, it's telling us to enter our code in here. So we're going to enter our code. Our code is 41099. We have entered the code. Now it's telling us to go slowly. Now it's green for us. Woo! Are we ready?
Yes.
Are we ready?
Soap blasters. I can't wait until we see the soap blaster. Hi, I see these red. I can't see the soap blaster.
Yeah, we'll see it.
You have to wait.
It's these two bars, this one and this one. Ooh, they're coming in front of us.
There's over there in the front.
You see them?
So where is the soap? The soap is coming soon. We can't see.
Yeah.
This is soap.
Soap is everywhere.
I can see milk. It's because this is soap. I can't see. I can't see anything. I can see milk. Everywhere is covered with soap.
Yep.
I can't see. And I'm going in the back. Rainbow soap.
We will get the rainbow soap.
I don't see
The
any
second.
rainbow.
I think it's the second wash as the rainbow soap.
Tulu wipers.
Yes, Tolu.
Tulu wipers. Just fit.
No, those swish wiper, we shouldn't do it because it might spoil the wiper. So we just wait. It's going to help us rinse it out.
No, look, very. Look.
Now do you see the rainbow? The rainbow.
I don't see it.
I do.
Mine is purple, blue, and yellow.
Yeah.
I see yellow, blue, pink, and I see blue, purple. I still have my rainbow. That's good. It's wash off the rainbow.
It's washing it off.
I'm gonna wash off her.
It's washed off one side. It's going to wash off the other side.
That's not the rainbow.
Yep.
But this side of oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Wow! Look at the bag. Look at the bag.